Alright then, ball from birth, violate in the dirt. Rental pull up on the outskirt. Butterfly like bird. Don't say a word. Oh, you shoulda hear when no matter what. All if you had that to play ideas. Pick up shot, baby, nothing like the man.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm gonna shut a select boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too.
What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know it's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another hit, another smash, another bang. I already know what time it is, people. From you can see from the title, guys. Yes, I'm here with another track from who? Yes, none other than who? Yeah, man, the Spartan boss, man. Who me attack? Yeah, man, Tommy Lee. Yeah, I'm here with another dope track. Another dope video from Tommy Lee, and it's entitled Hard Ears. Okay, for my American people, it's entitled Hard Ears. For my Jamaican people, it's entitled Hard Ears. You see what I say? But yeah, he's with a dope track and a dope video called Hard Ears. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. Check out the video and see what it's about, and see, you know, if it's a dope video or not. A lot of my Jamaicans, y'all probably seen this video and hear this song already. It's been out for like what, a month or two now. Yeah, but from our American people, you guys probably. From American people, y'all guys probably not know of the song, so I'm probably introducing you to the first time, so I'm happy to introduce it to a new song or a new video. So comment down below if it's the first time hearing about this song or music video, and let me know what y'all think in the comment section. And like we always do, if you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. From returning viewers and subscribers, I love you guys. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate the love and support y'all been giving me. Shout out to Soy Vlogs, that's Stuck in an Island Vlogs. Shout me out today on YouTube. Really appreciate the love, really appreciate the love. Really love the channel and the content. You guys go check it out. That's Soy Vlog. That's SOAI Vlog. Go check him out, show him some love. So yes, guys, without further ado, we're gonna jump right into track. This is Tommy Lee, Hard Ears. We're gonna check it out and see if it's a banger. So yeah, let's get it. We're gonna jump right in the track, guys. Yeah, man. Let's see. Hopefully this song turn up. You don't know Tommy Lee all drop bangers. You don't know him also drop some hits. You know, one of the most lyrical and stylish out of the Gaza camp people, you know. So we're gonna check it out and see what we're gonna jump right in. This is Tommy Lee, Hard Ears. Let's get it.
Alright then, ball from birth, violate in the dirt. Rental pull up on the outskirt.
Tommy Lee be having, I'm not gonna lie though, Chang just start now. But Tommy Lee be having, Tommy Lee swag different, you know. You see me? Tommy Lee is like the first like goth Jamaican, you know. You see what I'm saying? He's not the first, but like, he's like the first Jamaican to make like the gothic type style, you know, from tattoo to him dress. You know, to his song them when he sing about, he's like the first like Jamaican like make this goth thing like, you know, like popular, and he man make him own genre in our music. You feel me? It's like he might not make like horror, you know, horror dancehall if you wanna call it. He might make some damn music, but really different or really creative though. You gotta admit that. And I'm not lie, Tommy Lee is one of the first artists that really turn up the music video them in a Jamaica, you know. I'm like one of the first artists to come out and all our music video them a top quality from day one. Yeah man, we give that to Tommy Lee. I him change up the game, make everybody have to say, yeah man, look for my video and see how my video can better. Cause before, you know, man, I used to drop some video, but it's when Tommy Lee turn up him thing, man come in some 4K camera thing, and yeah man, everybody have to say, yo, turn up a video, you know. But jump right back in that chat. Yeah man, Tommy Lee.
Butterfly like bird. Don't say a word. Oh, you shoulda hear when no matter what. All if you had that to play ideas. Pick up shot, baby, nothing like the model. Cause we them like them a gamble. Kill him and kill him.
Yeah man say, boy shoulda listen when your mother warn you. Never hear till you hear ideas. Back, hold on. We can pull it up, my G. Me G's and gents, I go pull it up, I go pull it up. I pull it from the top, yeah. Yeah. I pay close attention to that one.
Alright then, ball from birth, violate in the dirt. Rental pull up on the outskirt. Butterfly like bird. Don't say a word. Oh, you shoulda hear when your mother want. Don't let the other that the play ideas. Pick up shot, baby, nothing like the man.
The man say, boy, you shoulda listen when your mother want. Don't let the other man play ideas. It's a head up like a marble. Can't wait like
Can't wait them like them a gamble. Kill him and kill him and kill him. Pull up on the men with the spinners. Deal with them like Saint Original. Watching jelly splash like river. Alright, kill him and kill him and kill him. Pull up on the men with the spinners. Deal with them like Saint Original. Come on, kill him and kill him. Air Force white, face white to my bleach all night. With the 4-5.
Yo, Tamil, me tell some Tamil video them different, dog. One say Air Force white, face white like me bleach all night. With the 4-5 bomb clad.
Can't predict my move through the dice. See me today and I see me the next time. Sparta govern.
Can't predict me. Yo, hey man say can't predict me move like you roll with the dice. See me the next time.
And the go, I hold it up till the wanna come. So right now, nah take no talk. Say if you have something to say, talk up to me go.
Glad you might say Spartan govern the globe. I hold it up till the wanna come. Nah take no talk. So if you talk to me, talk up to me, God. Lala. Yo, gun salute the man upon this dog. I ain't gonna talk with cartel. You see me? Cause I say no. Remember Gaza, for my people who don't know, Gaza is alright. Gaza, poor Empire, that's cartel, Vibes Cartel local camp, you see me? And Gaza have a little slogan where say, yo, Gaza govern the globe. You see me? So he's like, yo, Sparta govern the globe. I hold it tough till the wanna come. So I must say, yo, right now Sparta govern the globe. Gaza govern the globe now. But right now Sparta govern the globe. I hold it tough till the wanna come. Which is Vibes Cartel. You see me? But yo, Tamil how that real man. You see me? Man loyal to a team, man. Man say, yo, Spartan govern the globe. Spartan has a whole it off right now till you see me cartel forward to go mash up the plate. You see me I say? Mad me rate that dog. I man say, yo, nah take the talk. So if you try talk up to me gun.
Boss them head, wash daily splash like don't give a whole God.
Boss out them head, watch it jelly splash like don't. Bomba clad.
Kill him. Even the folk that we born as a sinner. Can't study me, call me too chinner. In a board box, man, make your body relax. Warm up the grab, get the scissors. Split in the mouth, I wanna peel up. Girl taking a hand, the angle cheap up. The man low, man, the finish up really. So watch where you pull out, how you are the heel.
Hold on, man. What him say? Where I wanna go? Hold on, let me pull it up back. Lord, yeah.
I'm the two chinner. In a board box, man, make your body.
Hold on. In a board box, make your body relax.
Warm up the grab, get the scissors.
Yeah.
Split in the mouth, I wanna peel up.
Yeah.
Girl taking a hand, the angle cheap up. The man blow, man, the finish up.
Bomba clad. Yo. The man say, get the grab. He say, get the grab, warm up the scissors. Split in a mouth, he want build up. Taking the hand, the angle cheap. What? Wait, hold on. Roll the fuck on.
Even the folk that we born as a sinner. Can't study me, call me too chinner. In a board box, man, make your body relax. Warm up the grab, get the scissors. Split in the mouth, I wanna peel up. Girl taking a hand, the angle cheap up. The man blow, man, the finish up really. So watch where you pull out, how you are the illest. And if you ring the alarm, them a go see that. Boys put out my road like big pussy evil. I'm a killer.
Yo, guys, let me know what you think about this song so far in the comment section. I'm sorry, I'm really enjoying this song. You know, I really like doing reactions to songs that I enjoy. You know, like, you know, doing a reaction song and you actually enjoy the song and enjoy the video. Yeah, man, on the full lyrics and style, like them thing, yeah, man. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Fire emoji if you think it's fire. You see me garbage kind of shit emoji if you think it's garbage or shit, man. But you don't know, real dope track from Tamale. You don't know, go check him out. This is what Tamale Sparta. I think it's Tamale Music Vivo. Is the, I think it's, yeah, this is Tamale Sparta Vivo. Go check him out over there. Yeah, man, and show him some love and let him know that Jambisco sent him, man. You see me? And go enjoy it, show him some love and like and share and everything there. You see me? And yeah, so if you're new to the channel, please once again like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bells so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. For my returning viewers and subscribers, really love y'all. Really, yeah, the support has been crazy. A lot of artists have been showing love. I really appreciate it. Shout outs and giveaways are coming soon, guys. Remember, the object by the end of the year is 5K subs. 5K subs by the end of the year, guys. We're on our way. We're doing great. We're growing strong. And let's keep this love and support coming. We're growing. We're going to get big over here. We're going to have lots of surprises for y'all. Trust me. I'm not going to forget about y'all. I'm going to have surprises and dope giveaways for y'all. Trust me. I'm shouting y'all. Come on. Just wait. We're still going to be going live soon. Doing live chats and engagement. Don't worry, man. Just go ahead. You know, keep showing love and support. I'm noticing everyone. I'm not forgetting about y'all. Trust me. I really appreciate everything. Let's get right back in the track. It's Tamale hot. Yes! Yo! Let's get it! Rusty cut last night in there.
Alright then, bad from birth, violate in the dirt. Rental pull up on the outskirt. Butterfly like bird. Don't say a word.
Yeah, man. Come lad. Now say a word, Sparta. Big up your damn self, Tamale. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, really dope track from Tamale Sparta. Yeah, see me? So go ahead, guys, and check him out over Tamale and his Vivo, which is Tamale Sparta. Well, it's not Vivo. The video title is Vivo, but just go take him out at Tamale Sparta. Yeah, it's not video, it's Tamale Sparta. Check him out, show him some love. You know, anything that Jambisco sent me, really dope track, guys. You know, so if you enjoy, go ahead and go check it out over and show the artist some love. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Fire emoji if the song is fire. Garbage can of shit emoji if the song is garbage. You already know, man. Really dope track. Really enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. And let me know what y'all videos y'all want to see. I'll be telling you guys, let me know what y'all videos you want to see. Let me know if you want to see, like, I was thinking like reaction videos to, like, you know, race people getting beat up and stuff like that. So let me know if you guys want to see that also, some comedy and, you know, anything else that you want to see. You know, if you want to see other music related content, not necessarily music, if you want to see me to react to other music related content, I'll definitely do that. Matter of fact, I'm going to do it. Matter of fact, I start doing some of this stuff short, put it out there, because maybe you guys may not know what I'm talking about or get an idea of what I'm talking about. I'm going to do it so you guys can get an idea and see what I'm talking about. You guys just let me know if you want to see more. So yeah, man, really dope track from Tamale Sparta. Go ahead, show him some love, guys. Appreciate every single one of y'all that be watching in the premieres, that be commenting, that be liking, that be sharing and subscribing. Me love it. Well, I know me appreciate from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all of them. Like, I love you guys. We're going strong over y'all. Y'all helping me to do one of the things I love, man, which is YouTube. So I really love y'all, man. You know, we're growing strong over here. I could have just 1 subscriber. I appreciate you. I'm gonna go down hard like me have 1 million. You see me? So the channel, so the videos are getting slowly better. I'm hoping that you guys see that my videos are getting slowly. The videos are getting slowly better and better. I'm just keep building, keep growing. I'm just keep getting better and better content. Make little adjustments like I did with my intro and stuff like that. So eventually, you know, it's gonna get to like a great quality where, like, you know, So yeah, you know, like, you know, I'm getting even the best quality video every time. You know, I try my best every time, but you know, there's still improvements to be made. I know, guys. I'm aware. I'm working to get better. You know, I'm practicing and trying to get better. You know, my reactions are authentic, but like stuff that I do and talk about, like other stuff, you know, I gotta practice on that. You know, let me know if you guys want me to, like, let me know if you guys like when I speak like this. Like this is me speaking English, or would you, let me know if you guys prefer me speaking in Pato. You know, cause you don't know. That's it. That's come on like that. That's it. And I'm sorry, guys. A lot of times when I'm in the vibes, the Pato just gonna bust hard. It's gonna bust hard. So if my American people have trouble understanding me, I do apologize. You know, if you can't understand me when me up chat the Pato, I love you. You feel me? And if you like me speaking English, you know, just let me know and try to, you know. But you know, I try to keep it vibesy. You know, balance. Cause yeah, I'm living in America, but I'm also Jamaican. I don't want to forget where I'm come from, but I don't forget where I'm at also. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But yeah, love you guys. You guys been showing great support, and y'all gotta be strong. Just appreciate y'all. I'm just gonna get better over here. Gonna be doing this thing on YouTube. You feel me? So once again, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here another hit and I smashing a banger. Love you guys. Stay safe. Until the next video.